How to fix each group can only have one ongoing calls at a time issue in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix each ongoing groups can only have one ongoing calls in your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So when you're facing this issue, you'll need to make sure that you're not actually in another call. So make sure that you are not in any other call. Even if you are, try to end that call and then join another call. If you're facing this issue when you're not connected or not in any call, try to join an ongoing group call. Now, that should be possible by just opening up the group and then heading over to this icon right here to join the group call. And try to join it via that. If that does not work, you can try to reconnect back to your network. You can refresh your WhatsApp and do that stuff. But if that does not fix your issue, head over to the settings icon right here and then head over to help. After you head over to help, tap on contact us and then you can start to chat with your WhatsApp. Now, what this can do is you can ask for help to your WhatsApp support. Now, you can explain your problem to them. So we can simply quote this error and explain to them that this is showing. So let's do that here. Showing when I'm not in any call. And you can explain your issue to them. You can even send pictures related to your issue, and WhatsApp support will help you fix the issue. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.